I'm giving you simple date night. Are y'all living for it or no? This is definitely, I like to be extra, but for my beginner girls, for my beginner friendly girls, for a 30-minute or less look, this is for you. This is for you. I'm actually giving you guys a simple look. Like, what is simple? I do not know what simple is. Kid you not, this look is very different for me because I like the dolled up look, but sometimes you honestly don't have time for the dolled up look, so this is what I would gear towards. And I've really been loving this. I'm serving you skin, natural, really simple, but yet I came to play, I came to slay. If you're not part of the royal gang, make sure you click the subscribe button, the red button down there, so click that. Make sure you click the bell so that you are notified every single time I'm on your screen. And of course, give me a thumbs up and like the video to show me some love and support. I'm just in awe with the amount of subscribers, and you know, we're just growing. Our royal gang is just growing. Hashtag royal gang. Don't forget the crown. Don't forget the crown.
Let's get down to business.
Of course, I'm going to moisturize my face with the Mario Badescu. This is the aloe and green tea water, not the rose water, green tea water. I'm switching it up a bit, y'all, a little bit. For primer, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I'm going to take the Airspun Translucent Powder that you can find at Walmart for $5. I'm gonna put powder all over my face before the foundation. I know. Don't come for me in the comments. I know. Since we're keeping it all skin light, we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 420. Well, not color, the number 420. I did put foundation on my lids to serve as a base for my eyeshadows, well, face powders, so to say. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Match Trio Stick, Match. I'm going to go in with the color Suede, and this is going to be my natural highlights under the eyes. Remember, we're keeping it natural. Not too much highlight. Natural, ladies. Simple. We want to serve skin and slay. Oh, we want to serve skin and slay. Same Fenty Beauty stick, but this one is in the color Espresso. And this is what I'm going to use to chisel up the cheeks, you know, lose a couple pounds in a matter of 10 minutes. Now on top of the Suede natural highlight, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Amande. I'm extra, so I'm gonna call it Amande. To bake, you already know I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm going to take the Black Radiance contour palette, going into Sculpt. I'm going to dust that all over my eyelid. I'm going to go into contour. The NYX matte liner is what I'm going to use to line my eyes, and yes, I'm going to wing it out. I'm gonna add a little bronzer with my oldie but goodie, shattered but goodie. This is the Shea Moisture bronzer in Dusk and unfortunately it's not sold, and I can't find this anymore. I strongly believe it was discontinued, strongly. This is the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and this is in the color Creamy Bronze Finish. I'm gonna finish the eyes by adding the Supreme Kohl Kajal as a black liner on my waterline, and then I'm gonna add mascara to my bottom lash line as possible. I've really been loving this blush. This is the Sweet as Cocoa blush by MAC. Even though majority of the face is natural, that doesn't mean my highlight can't be extra. For my base highlight, I'm going to be going in with My Mimi from the Mariah Carey MAC collection. Le Bronze by Artist Couture. By the mother, my mother, the mother of all mothers, Jackie Aina, of course, of course, of course, of course. Using Bittersweet by MAC, this is what I'm going to use to line my lips, and then we're going to add some gloss on top of it. This is the NYX Gloss in Natural.
Chega e joga dançar, velho. O que eu amassei.